Hello everyone and welcome back. As you can see, I have a box from Mossberg on the table, and it's no secret that it contains an MC1. So let's open it up and take a look. Alright, let's open this box and take a look. And there you have it, Mossberg MC1. Now, as you can see, it comes in just a cardboard box, nothing fancy, but at the price you're paying, don't go expecting too much fancy stuff with this pistol. Hopefully, it's going to be a nice pistol, really nice pistol for what it costs. We'll see. Now, you can see it's in a little thing here. It says reusable pack, do not cut the film. That's because it's fastened there and it's a little bit of stretch to it. So that's what holds your pistol into your box. So take that, set that aside. What else have we got in here? Well, we've got our flush fit magazine. We've got our magazine with the extension on it. I believe both of these hold 6 rounds. I have not obviously loaded them yet. We've got our Mossberg lock. We got a chamber flag. We have our destructions, the firearm responsibility in the home, NRA membership pass. We got another firearm safety depends on you, and we have a Mossberg sticker. We do not have a flavor packet. Now my toast is going to be flavorless. I'm disappointed. I guess I'll have to dig out a flavor packet from something else and flavor my toast with that, but I won't be able to have Mossberg flavored toast. It's really disappointing. So let's take that, put the box over here to the side, and take a look at the pistol. As you can see, it's very small. It's about the size of a Glock 43. I haven't pulled out my P365 yet to put it on here because I just wanted to take this out, give initial impressions, what I thought of it. It has a pretty good trigger brake on it, and it has a very nice audible short reset. So that is what we've got for the trigger on it. It's a flat trigger. It's got the little dingus, so you can be safe. And we also have the safe takedown with the Mossberg, which is lock the slide back, and then you push this button and pull your back plate out and take your striker out. Slide release, pistol comes apart, take your recoil guide rod assembly off, take your barrel out, clean everything. It's nice and oiled up, so I'm not going to have to oil it when I get it out to the range and we do our first shot impressions. And of course, to put it back together, you reverse the process. You put your slide on, lock it to the rear. There is some kind of safety in there that I was hitting, I'm guessing. Put your striker back in. Take your rear plate, you catch your striker, release it, and you are back in business. Trigger works, resets. We are good to go as far as putting it back in service so that we can give it a test. So there is my initial unboxing and first impressions of my Mossberg MC1 SC subcompact, I believe. I don't know if I'm gonna have an issue like Midnight said he was having here. We'll see. It doesn't seem to have too much, to me. Does seem to have just a little bit of an undercut to the trigger guard. Trigger seems to be pretty decent. I mean, it's got a nice audible reset. There isn't much play on it after you reset. To come back, it's got a nice break to it. So we'll get this out here in the next day or two, do some first shots and some range video with it, and let you know what I think at that point. So there was my first initial unboxing impressions of my new Mossberg MC1. Hope you liked it. Stay tuned for the range video and my impressions after shooting it. And until next time, stay armed, stay vigilant, stay safe.